So let's put it this way. I've been teaching motion design for more than 10 years now. So here is what I can tell you. I don't know where you're studying or what you're planning to study, but if you want to make strong homework projects that can later come together nicely into final piece, then at very beginning of any course, no matter what you're learning, is it After Effects, Cavalry, Illustrator, Photoshop or anything else, pick one typeface for yourself, one typeface. You can chase pair of typefaces if you want, as long as they work well together, but choose one main typeface. If you don't know which one to pick, then take RAPAC. There is a fully equipped trial version available for students, or go to Contemporary Type and choose any typeface you like. Just make sure to check the license agreement of the typeface website first. Every typeface has its own rules. If the license allows you to use it in personal, educational or portfolio projects, then feel free to use it for your coursework then, with those terms. Then choose a color palette for yourself. For example, black, white, shades of gray and one accent color, red, yellow, blue, green, whatever. One, not 10, Then choose the format you are going to work in, so that all your projects follow the same format. Square, please keep it square. Horizontal, make all projects horizontal. Vertical, circle inside square, triangle inside and square, any format really, just choose one format. And by keeping this simple framework without any deep philosophy or background concept, just typeface, color and format, you'll already make sure that all your homework projects or any course you're taking will connect well with each other. This is the glue. Later you'll simply be able to assemble them into final projects or into series and publish it on Behance or whatever you want. They will look cohesive, they won't feel like random pieces pulled from different places. If one lesson is about typography and another is about illustration, that's fine too. You're gonna still adopt the illustration of the same color palette, they will always make it fit. But the important thing is, if, for example, you choose a vertical format from the very beginning, then that's it. You'll keep working vertically. And you will wind up in the situation, then suddenly make a horizontal illustration, and later, when you decided to put everything together, you're like, okay, and what now I'm supposed to do with this illustration, horizontal in vertical format? The answer is nothing. It just doesn't fit anymore. So plan it from the beginning, from the start, and make your working projects inside that framework: color, format, typeface. And if you want some kind of conceptual connection, and if you want that one theme to run through all of these pieces of works, then choose one word for yourself, just one word. Write it on the wall, just in front of you: water, or celebration, or flowers, whatever, grass, yeah? And make every project while keeping this word, water, for example, in your mind. That's it. You don't need necessarily to have it to write this word when you're working with text, yeah? Just put this into your mind and keep it in your head while you're making the work. Or choose the word like fire, or any word, really. You can be something abstract like sunrise, for example, yeah? And make colors from sunrise, make text about, sunrise, but something about this, or love, anything. And then just make all of your projects about that. This way they will connect not only visual, but also conceptually. That's it. Love you all. Bye everyone, and please make great projects together. Bye.